Not every training program can rely on cloud-based labs hosted at AWS or Azure, or even within a private cloud. Some require complete control over software, hardware, and security, while keeping everything inside their own network in the same way you would find it in a physical classroom. If your organization already has classrooms with computers or a server rack running physical servers or virtual machines, why not use them to deliver virtual training? Our in-house lab solution lets you use existing computing resources and infrastructure to provide students with remote hands-on labs. Students and instructors can securely access the lab using their browser. No RDP, no VPN. And no worries about exposing your systems to the internet. Simply register your computer resources and keep track of inventory. Schedule your classes and notify students about the upcoming training. A single link will connect them to your in-house training environment. Instructors can monitor student progress, provide real-time assistance, and control training resources. This solution is perfect for organizations that want to leverage their classroom lab computers for virtual training. It's also ideal for those with very specific computer requirements, such as GPU-equipped machines, software that relies on physical license dongles, or labs needing access to auxiliary devices connected via USB or COM ports. Additionally, it supports labs that require seamless connectivity to other resources within the same network as the students' remote computers. In-house labs allow you to schedule and provide secure access to in-house computer resources and give instructors the oversight and control they need to deliver engaging online training. Use your in-house computer resources for virtual training. Eliminate the use of RDP, VNC, or VPN connections. Gain lab overview and control capabilities. Save money by using existing resources. Ready to check out in-house labs? Contact us for a demo.